Get ready to buckle up and brace yourself for a ride of hilarity as we bring you the ultimate compilation of trucking mishaps, bloopers, and downright absurd moments caught on camera. Get ready to witness the antics of the road's most entertaining idiots in a truck. Well, here's a truck driver who thought red lights were just a suggestion. Looks like someone missed the memo on brakes. Not optional. I didn't know shortcut was a synonym for drive through the wall. Apparently, the concept of yield got lost in translation. This driver must believe wrong way signs are just decoration.
Oh my God, he saved it.
When GPS says, turn left, it doesn't mean turn left into oncoming traffic. Who knew that keep right could be so challenging for some? If truck limbo was a sport, this driver would be a champion. I guess no parking zone translates to perfect parking spot for some people. Turns out, no U-turn signs are just friendly suggestions. They say hindsight is 20/20ths, but I'm not sure that applies to reversing into traffic. Who needs mirrors when you have blind confidence?
Oh my gosh.
I've heard of multitasking, but this driver took it to a whole new level, texting and crashing simultaneously. If no horn honking signs had feelings, they'd be crying after this one. I think this driver missed the lesson on physics and the inevitability of collisions. Breaking news. Truck attempts to fly. Spoiler alert, it doesn't end well. This is what happens when you treat a highway like a roller coaster, without the loops and fun. I didn't know trucks were auditioning for action movies. Fast and Furious. Semi-edition. If no left turn was a challenge, this driver aced it into a tree. You know it's a bad day when even the road signs are facepalming. I guess no overtaking means overtake, but do it spectacularly. This truck driver must be sponsored by the local tow truck company. They say laughter is the best medicine, but I'm not sure it works for crashing trucks.
Always.
Braking. Truck attempts to break the sound barrier. Spoiler alert, it didn't. Who needs a GPS when you have a wrecked truck as a landmark? I'm not a truck expert, but I don't think off-roading includes city streets. This driver must believe in the philosophy of the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line through everything. Looks like someone missed the memo on brakes. Not optional. Turns out, trucks can moonwalk. At least, that's what this driver thinks. If truck driving were an art form, this driver just created a masterpiece of chaos. Apparently, the concept of yield got lost in translation. I didn't know shortcut was a synonym for drive through the wall. If you had a blast watching these idiots in a truck, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more uproarious content. Until next time, keep on trucking.